I'd like to place an order for delivery. Okay. I need 1 order of white rice, 2 orders of fried rice, 6 crab rangoons, 3 pork egg rolls, 1 order of orange chicken, 2 orders of sweet and sour chicken. 3318 Woodland Hills Drive, 859-743-1479. Okay, $44.10. Alright, thank you. Bye.
My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah.
We're not talking about math. We're talking about chemistry.
Lewis structures are a way to show the bonding of atoms and molecules, and the lone pairs of electrons that may be prevalent in those molecules.
Methane. This is called a Lewis structure. This is methane, and it is also noted as CH4. Since C comes first, it is the one atom that is listed in the middle, and the 4 hydrogens are bonded to the carbon. These lines are the bonds between the 2 atoms. The bonds represent 2 atoms that are shared between the hydrogen and the carbon. Since carbon only has 4 and hydrogen only has 1, each of them turn out perfectly.
Electrons. When doing a Lewis structure, you need a periodic table. Since you have carbon and hydrogen, you look at the periodic table, and since carbon is in column 4, it has 4 electrons, and then since hydrogen is in column 1, it has 1. But there's 4 of them, so you times it by 4, and then you have 8 electrons total. Each one of these lines represents 2 electrons shared by each element. So right now we have 2, 2, 2, and 2, which equals 8, making this the Lewis structure for methane.
A bond that involves 2 shared pairs of electrons is called a double bond. This is an oxygen molecule. This is the double bond that connects the 2 oxygen atoms. A double bond is used so that both oxygen atoms can have a full and stable valence electron energy level.
A bond formed by sharing 3 electrons is a triple bond. Here in this Lewis structure, N2 forms 3 bonds between the 2 atoms of nitrogen, and with the lone pairs of electrons left on the outer edges of the atom.
A wise, elderly Cherokee man was teaching his grandchildren about life. He said to them, "A fight is going on inside of me. It's a terrible fight, and it's between 2 wolves. One wolf is fear, anger, envy, greed, arrogance, self-pity, guilt, and lies. The other is joy, peace, love, hope, generosity, humility, truth, compassion, and faith. The same fight is going on inside of you and inside everyone else too." They thought about it for a few minutes, and then one grandchildren asked, "Which wolf will win?" The old Cherokee simply replied, "The one you feed."
Here we have a molecule of ammonium. Ammonium is 1 nitrogen and 4 hydrogens, which is a total of 9 valence electrons.
Alright, so because it has 9 valence electrons each, single bond represents 2, and there's 4 of them, so that would be 8 electrons. So there's one valence electron that cannot fit onto the Lewis structure. So it does not take part in the drawing of the Lewis structure. And then,
Since we have one extra one, we would make it an ionic bond. And that counts for the 9th. Because you lose it.